Welcome, you've made it this far to Series 4. Series 4 involves looking at police clearance and writing the English test in order to apply to the Teaching Council. Now, if you are an overseas teacher, you are required to have your police clearance done and then also to write the English test in order to show proof of English proficiency to register as a teacher in New Zealand. The accepted English tests usually include IELTS academic or PTE academic, depending on your country of training and your educational history. You must also provide police certificates from every country you've lived in for 12 months or more since age 17. If it's the first time you are leaving your home country, it means you apply from only one country, that's fine. If you've lived in multiple areas, then you would have to apply for all of them. These documents are required for teacher registration and for visa application. Each country has its own processes and fees, so you must make sure you apply early to avoid delays. Always follow the Teaching Council and Immigration New Zealand guidelines exactly. There's no shortcut. These are the reasons why you need an English test. You need the test to prove your English proficiency for studying, working, or migrating to an English-speaking country like New Zealand. It is accepted by thousands of universities and employers. The English test will measure your listening, reading, writing, and speaking skills for academic or general purposes. If you are migrating, it is essential for skilled workers to write an English test to meet the government visa requirement. Work and professional registration bodies may also require you to write an English test. Example, IELTS or PTE academic. For work, training, or migration to an English-speaking country, focus on everyday social and workplace English. Provide a clear goal to improve your English skills daily, opening up global opportunities. All right, now let's have a look. You go to Google and then you type IELTS. You have several options here. You can go directly to IELTS.org. You can go to IDP to do it, or you can also choose the British Council. Let's choose IELTS.com. On the tab, you have Book a Test. Let's select Book a Test. Where to take and book your test. Off we go. Select the country where you want to take your test. Let's say Algeria. Okay, so in Algeria, there are 5 results here showing different centers you can take your test. Let's choose one of the centers. We've got British Council, JD Hotel. Let's have a look. It's computer based, so you can have it there. Yeah. Okay, IELTS Academics, you make your payment. That is the one we need. So for your teacher registration, the IELTS Academic is what you need to select. Book a test. Please now find a test. You can change the country if it's not feasible. Let's say you've traveled, you're on holiday, and you decide to do it in that particular country. If you are prepared, why not? You can take your test in the country. Now here, if you have any accessibility needs for the test, you need to indicate it. Which format would you like to take the test? On computer? Your results will come between 1 to 5 days. If you want to do it on paper, the results will be available in 13 days. Yeah. Now you look at the dates available and then you select what is feasible. Now let's see, let's search the test. Okay, so in JD Hotel, these are the available slots. You select which one works for you. Now you book a test. Let's say 28th February is a good time. We book the test and you register to make your payment. That is it for IELTS. Now let's look at PTE. All right. For PTE, you go to Google search, you type PTE, same, And then you have PTE option here, English language test. It's available on the screen. Accept all. English test without the stress. Some people would prefer PTE. Others would also prefer IELTS. So you choose whichever one it's maybe closer to your preference. Yeah, so PTE call, you are looking for academic as well. You check availability. Just a moment. Yeah, look at the location. You can, I would say, use your current location. That is what I have done for mine. So let's check any appointments available for my current location. Let's see. Yep, University of Auckland. I can take the test. Yes, I can take the test on 24th of January, 16th of January, which is today. Yeah, I cannot take it today, 21st. Yeah, okay. So there are several slots available and location. You can decide to book. Let's say 21st of January. And then I'll book for Master University. I can go and take the test, appointment set, all the details you need. All you have to do is sign in and create a full profile, make your payment, and you are good to go. Remember, you are writing PTE academic or IELTS academic. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and share. To support your studies, use official sites like IELTS.org, British Council, and IDP for authentic materials. Top independent resources such as IELTS List, IELTS Simon, and IELTS Buddy for tips and practice. Several YouTube channels like IDP, E2 Language can also support your learning during this period. Grammarly and apps for focused skills building also offer free practice tests and expert advice for listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Studying for your English test can be stressful. You can choose to join a group or you can study by yourself. Some teachers prefer to sign up with different educational institutions and attend classes to support them in areas of writing, listening, or reading. You can equally do the same if that works for you. PTE and IELTS costs vary by country, but generally, PTE academic is around 200 to 250 USD in most countries, including Ghana, South Africa, Philippines, and most countries, I would say. The cost for PTE in Ghana is $200 to 235 USD, whilst IELTS is around 200 to 250. The prices between these two, PTE and IELTS, isn't that much. You would have to make a choice based on availability in your country. An example, Australia PTE academic is AUD 410 to 475, whilst IELTS is 395 to 475 Australian dollars. In US, IELTS is 475 USD. In New Zealand, IELTS is 475 New Zealand dollars. In Kenya, PTE is USD 215. In France and Germany, PTE academic is 260 to 265 euros. Well, I would say they are similar in price range, so you typically have to choose whichever one you prefer based on your experience, your educational background, and availability of the service in your country. Wishing you all the best as you write your exam. Make